In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Canon printer Pixma TR7820 to your Wi-Fi network. So let's get started right away. Everything is done using this control panel. So you're going to press the home button here, so we are on the same page. You're going to press on the settings button. It's this button over here. It's a cogwheel. Then select Printer Settings, the second option. Select Manual Connect, it's the second option. Now that it has scanned for all the wireless networks around it, select your wireless network from the list. You can go down by swiping up and down, just like on your smartphone. Select your Wi-Fi network. Select Use Multiple Routers. Select Please Enter, and now it's time to type the password of your Wi-Fi network. Now, Canon could have put a keyboard over here, but they didn't, because I don't know for what reason, honestly. So you'll have to press, let's say your first password letter is U. Well, you have to press twice this button until it changes to U, which is the second letter of this button. It's a bit complicated for no reason, but they did this. So go ahead and type your password. If you have letters, if you have numbers or symbols, click this icon over here. At the end, press the OK button and OK again. At the end, you'll get connected to wireless router. Press OK. And this is about it. Your printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi. Press the home button and go ahead, connect your smartphone, computer, to the printer and start printing and scanning. If my video was helpful, take a moment, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.